Where do sick ships go to get healthy?
The dock!
I got fired from the calendar factory. All I did was take a day off.
How do construction workers party? They raise the roof!
Would you like your milk in a bag?
No thanks. The carton works fine.
How is everything, sir?
I am all fed up with your service.
Ah,